Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a very under the radar airdrop. This is a new airdrop that we can apply and it's 100% free. Right now we are going to interact in the testnet, and like always in my videos I speak a little bit about the project and then I go directly into the step-by-step of everything that you need to do in order to interact, earn points for this airdrop, and get all updated with the last things that you can do for this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this project is called Haven 1 and this is a purpose-built layer 1 blockchain incubated by Yield App and backed by Fundamentals Lab, designed with security and scalability in mind. Yield App, if you don't know them, you can check also this project, which is a platform to secure digital assets. So you can earn, swap, buy and sell using Yield App. So this project has been already since 2020 and they are incubating, like you can see here, Haven 1 official. And Haven 1 combines recourse mechanisms and security guardrails from the traditional finance, along with the unique features of the DeFi world, which unlocks previous and unattainable use cases. Haven 1 utilizes an environmentally friendly proof of authority consensus mechanism to enable network-level risk controls and user verification without sacrificing privacy. Some important points about this project is that they have a confirmed launch of their token H1. Some of that information you can check it on the light paper and the documentation, but basically it's going to help you for governance, gas fees, and also in this case participation incentivization. According to the documentation, token holders will have the opportunity to receive rewards generated by the aforementioned protocol applications. This provides users a benefit to holding the token and aligns the interest of the token holders with the network. So this is great. My basic understanding of that is that if you hold the token, you are also going to get rewards from the apps that are built on this protocol. Another thing is that the airdrop is confirmed for testnet participants, so we are going to do that in this video, and eventually on mainnet you will need to complete some KYC. Apparently in the testnet you are going to see when you register that you need to put some data, but that could be fake data, so you don't need to put any real data and you are going to be able to register. That is confirmed from the testnet and everything, but seems that in the mainnet you may need to complete some KYC. I couldn't confirm that 100%, but at least for the purpose of the testnet you don't need to use any real data. That is why I will cover in anyway. Some things about the website, you can check many things regarding the technical aspects of the project, how it works, but up here you can see that you can join the testnet and earn rewards, so that is what we are going to do now. And in terms of the Twitter account, 31k followers, not a big community, but also means that it's not super farming. A couple of last news of the project is that they were nominated for Best Brand Initiative on the Paris Blockchain Week just a couple of days ago, so that is a good mention to know and understanding. And in April 1st they give some rewards for the CLI quiz winners, so we are going to have a CLI. If you want you can participate also on this, but the Twitter is relatively active. Now going directly to the step-by-step on how you can participate on this testnet, the first requirement is that you need to register, and you may get some issues on that registration, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Using a referral code will give you some extra points in the registration, so here I put the link with my invite. If you don't want to use it, it's fine, just go to the website and go to the different steps for the testnet, but here is my code in any case if you want to support the channel. So the point 2 is that the registration is a 3-step process. You need to connect your wallet and then you need to link your Discord. You need to be sure that your Discord has a 2-factor authentication active. If not, you are not going to be able to verify your Discord. I entered into that issue the first time, so after checking more in depth, I was able to fix that. So I activate the 2-factor authentication on the Discord that I wanted to link. But if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to register your new account. And the third step is that you need to put any fake information in the form at the end. But all the details of this, you're going to find it in this documentation file. So when you go to the link, you need to connect. You will be using MetaMask or any AVM compatible network. You will be connecting to the testnet of Haven 1. So this is a particular and new blockchain. So accept the process, continue, click on continue on everything. Then you will need to join to the Discord, so complete those steps. And here on the verification Discord, step 2 is where you are going to need to have your Discord with a two-factor authentication active. If not, it's going to throw you some error. So complete the name and join the Discord. Verify the Discord when you are in. You need to put a CAPTCHA. Then you can click on authorize your Discord. It's going to ask you to authorize the Discord. Then you will be able to click on verify. And after that, you will need to put some information that doesn't need to be your real information. After you do that, you will be able to explore the testnet. So click here. And then you are done with the step 2. So once you finish that, you're going to be in your dashboard. On the step 3, you need to get Faucet tokens. So this is what you are going to see once you are already here. There are a couple of things that you can see here that I will mention on the step. But first, what you need to do to explore the testnet, we want to get Faucet tokens. So let's click here, get free testnet H1 tokens. Once you click there, you're going to be redirected to the Faucet part. You can do this one per day, and if you want to really have points on this airdrop, you need to do it every day, because you need to use these tokens to interact with the protocol and different apps that you can right now in order to get more points for the airdrop. In my case, I already got some today. You will have 10 per day, so I will not be able to get into the Faucet and get more tokens, but basically you just click on request testnet H1 and you are done. So once this is loaded, you are going to be able to click here and request your testnet H1. In my case, it's not going to work because I already asked today for some balance, but just clicking there, you're going to see that you're going to get it very quickly. After doing that, we go to step 4. We need to swap on the Heaven application on the testnet. Here is the link. Once we are here, this is very easy. Just select a token that you want to swap for. Let's say I want Heaven BTC, so I will just swap one. First, you will need to approve it. If you don't have it, approve it, and then you will be able to swap it. Remember, this is a new chain, so you will have your explorer for this particular testnet. Like always, you will need to confirm the transaction, and you're going to pay gas fees on H1 tokens if it's needed. So transaction sent, and you can see the transaction was correctly done. So you can see that I have now more HBTC than before. Now the step 5 is enter liquidity. The same, go to the link there, just click on add liquidity. If you don't have any pair, you can create a pair, and here you will put the 2 tokens that you want. In my case, I will use the one that I swapped, and you enter the amount, and like any other pool, enter the liquidity. No big issues with that. The step 6, you can mint an NFT. So you can go to this link and get to the spotlight. This is a probable identity. That is why they want you to put some information when you enter here of your account, and basically you need to follow this step. First, country ID, so you can try the demo. Basically what you need to do is select the flag that you selected on your information here. You will see that you cannot mint the NFT that doesn't correspond with that flag. So after you do that, you can see that that works fine, and you can check the verification levels here, user type, and acknowledge base access. But the only thing really that you can do is just mint the NFT for your country ID. Oh yeah, this is a test that you can do. So couple of questions about the application, so you can do also this part. After doing that, you can go to step 7, where you can see all the apps that are active right now. So down here you can see all the applications. When you go to the app section, you can see that the swap is live, what we did. The probable identity framework is up. You can see live here. The Faucet testnet is up, and these are things that are coming soon. So you can do the bridge, which is in development, lend and borrow, NFT marketplace, derivatives, shared wallets. So many things are coming soon. When this happens, you will need to use it and also interact with them. For now, just keep an eye on this. So if you are using my airdrop application, you will see that task, the one that is checking the different apps. You will see it as a recursive task. So in my app, you can check one time per week, and you also can put an alarm to that specific task. So you will get an email with a reminder to check that application if something is new there. That is the last update that I did in my app. You can get free reminders on your email twice per week with all the tasks that you want to do over the different airdrops that you are covering or in the new airdrops. So if you are new here, remember I have an airdrop application that I created subscription. Here you have the 2 videos on how the app works, and also you can join my private Discord. We are killing it there, more than 500 people managing a high level of information. We have all the news in different channels for different specific airdrops, testnet airdrops, meme coins, crypto in general, portfolio strategies, new airdrops, airdrops distribution so you don't miss any claims, and much more. If you are new to airdrops, we have a specific channel for you to start. If you are an advanced airdrop hunter, you will find very valuable information for your journey. We also cover BRC20 there with Boris and Fox and many other guys. So you have also your space for BRC20 and many other ecosystems, Cosmos, Injective, everything about Cosmos we are covering there. So yeah, we have many channels according to all the needs of the user. So go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions or click the second link on the description, send you to my subscription page where you can review everything. Very easy to access here. My subscriptions are super cheap, so if you are doing airdrops, you need to be in a community. It's going to help you a lot and make your work very easily if you use my application. So like I said before, check in my app. When you put the bell, you will get the notifications, so you can check if there is something new here. Now the point 8 is that you can do some C-Lite task. Here you have the link. This is very known for many airdrop hunters. You can do many of the tasks on the C-Lite page. It's really easy to do. The point 9, guys, is a quote from an admin on the Discord, is that the more activity you have on the testnet, the better rewards you will receive. There's no minimum amount required, so try to ask your daily 10 tokens from the Faucet and interact with the app. This is a quote from one of the admins on the Discord, so if you really want to apply to this, put an alarm of my application so you can remind yourself to interact with this. The Faucet token will also be a recursive task for this airdrop, so you don't forget to claim your free tokens on this Faucet and apply to the airdrop berries. The step 10 is that you have a testnet feedback form to complete if you want. So I put the link there. I took it from a specific place from the website, but you can give some feedback here. And the point 11, this is one that is important, is that you can use and share your referral code. You will see it in your profile after your registration. So like I mentioned before, once you are registered, you can see your referral code here, so copy your referral code and share it. If you are also in my private Discord, you will be able to share your referral in one specific channel that we have. Many people use those referrals inside there. We are 500 people, so if you put a link there, usually some other user may be interested and enter into the application. Well guys, that is all for Haven 1 airdrop. Very interesting protocol. Still they are building, so I would say that this is more for a final Q2, but in the meantime you can be early and you can start interacting before many other people. And if you don't forget to claim your Faucet every day and interact a little with those tokens, probably I think they are going to use a snapshot of the interaction by volume and tokens of the testnet, so stay tuned until we get more news about this protocol. That will be all for Haven, very under the radar project, a new free airdrop, so this is 100% free. Before we leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.